Now, sticking with Tesla for one more, this was kind of a funny clip in which we got to witness a very confused Tesla attempting to categorize a horse-drawn carriage because your Tesla is constantly attempting to, like, draw whatever. That's the best one, when it's just like a head-on collision with a semi. It draws in front of you what it predicts or what it thinks the vehicle is, whether it's like a large, like a pickup truck or another sedan or a person or a semi.
Yeah.
And you can see it cycling through all of this variety of drawings.
It's mostly a semi.
Right? Mostly a semi, but there's a terrifying moment where it becomes a head-on collision with a semi. It starts to think that it's the front end. It happens here in a moment. Right there, bang, you're dead. And then it sees the person because it's like, wait a second, are those the shapes of people up there? And yes, they absolutely are because it's a horse-drawn carriage.
Does this worry you at all?
I don't like it when I'm driving the Tesla and the vehicles are constantly getting redrawn. I don't like it. But I understand limitations of technology. It's tough, right?
Yeah.
It is novel when it nails it and it is the right vehicle.
Uh-huh.
But it is, yes, not the most confidence-inspiring thing when it's flipping back and forth between different ones. This one's especially funny, though.
I like the one that's sideways.
Yeah, just a sideways semi. And it is funny, just these worlds colliding of maximum technology versus minimum technology.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
You have the very old form of transportation and then the latest one. And the latest one is actually more confused than the old. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
That robot humor, AI humor.
Mm-hmm.
But at least there's no collision here.
No.
And the Tesla behaved itself, as you can tell.